Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show us how we can simplify radical expressions. Okay, solution. Alright, so we have cube root of x raised to the power 4 multiplied by square root of x raised to the power 2. Alright, this can also be written as x raised to the power 4. The cube root can be written as 1 over 3, and then also the square root can be written as 1 over 2. All right, so what do? We multiply. We have x 4 times 1 over 3 will give us 4 over 3. Multiply by these two, we cancel these two. We have x raised to the power 1. All right, so one of the laws of indices or exponents says that if we have a raised to the power x multiplying a raised to the power y, it will give us a raised to the power x plus y. Okay, and that we are doing here. So we have x 4 over 3 plus 1. All right. 4 over 3 plus 1. Let's do it here. 4 over 3 plus 1 over 1. The LCM is 3. How many 3 can we see? 1 times 4 is 4. How many 1 can we see in 3 is 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 7 over 3. All right. So x raised to the power 7 over 3. This is the answer in exponential form. Okay, so this is the second radical expression, and we are applying the same law. All right, so solution. We have the fourth root of x raised to the power 8 multiplied by the cube root of x raised to the power 9. All right, so these can be written as x raised to the power 8 multiplying 1 over 4. The fourth root is written as 1 over 4, multiplying by, also we have x raised to the power 9 raised to the power 1 over 3. All right, so what do? We multiply 8 times 1 over 4. 4 here 1, 4 here is 2. We have to multiply by 3 here 1, 3 here is 3, x raised to the power 3. All right, so we apply the law of indices that says if you have a raised to the power x multiplying a raised to the power y, you have a raised to the power x plus y, and that's what we are doing here. We have x 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, this 2 and this 3 will give us x raised to the power 5. This is the answer in exponential form. All right, so this is what I want us to do, and I want us to write our answer in the comment section. All right, so the question is simplify square root of x raised to the power 3 multiply the cube root of x raised to the power minus 1, everything minus 1. Okay, so I want us to solve this and keep our answer in the comment section. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you are watching for the first time or if you have not subscribed to this channel. See you later. Thanks.